these truths to be self-evident. That all men are created equal. Only on certain occasions, though. We gon' make it. America the beautiful, land of the free, home of the slave. Or hustling's the only way we know to get paid. Laws get set up, get thrown in the cage for breaking them. Handcuffed in the belly of the beast, digested by the system. It's like my brain's in shackles, I'm trying to break free. Sacrifice myself for the cause, like take me. But who am I? Not even 1% in a couple of billion. Lying on my back in the bed, eyes stuck to the ceiling thinking, is God gonna come and save a nigga? Well, come and get me. I pacify the pain with the liquor, numb tipsy, stagger like a bum with the whiskey. Niggas telling me chill, and yet they drunken with me. Nothing is fair. It's real, every race and color's aware. And why does hate overpower the love in the air? Rubbing the tears from my eyes from my people that transcend it. Watching over me, heaven is real and we living in hell. It's not below to me, yo. Pressure be making me wanna cock and load the heat and bust on the cops that patrol the street. Enemies can never see me like rocks in the ocean deep. Made a promise to family, for my mission's complete, I'ma not go to sleep still. Sometimes it's hard to deal. I hold it down, son, it's real in the field. Can't take it no. Nobody said it was easy. About to explode. Make it, son, believe me. I watch over me. I spread your blessings to those that's close to me. Continue to grow, building with your presence. Life is no more till I'm going to the end. What she say? It's funny how money changed the situation. You and your man stacking your mail slinging. Cops caught him, now he's up in the jail singing. They catch you, take your work, split it. Now they stacking their mail slinging. Satellites can see the date on the dime. Clear as day, but can't see boats floating the gate. Wherever the profit is, gotta lock it, those for the taking. It's like I roam in the matrix, I'm Neo, where's the phone, I'm escaping. If only it was that simple. My physical's trapped in a place where the gas whistle. Niggas will laugh with you. Last official words from this player I knew was keep it true. Now we doing 15 for shit he ain't even do. And just had a seed. Still America's the only place I would rather be. Looking at pictures of children in foreign places, smiling happy with life. Not even eating right. What's ill as I feel them cause we alike. Seeing death, justify death, dealing with broken promises. So while you poking your chest, grilling, I know what time it is. Never climbing no bandwagon, I'm driving and trying to survive in this lying environment. Climbing the ladder, trying to shine with the stars. Ain't no half stepping. Pulling my locks with gray hairs growing like Pony Boy, trying to stay golden. It's hard, but I never lost hope. I learned that if you turn your upper cheek, what's next? Your jaw's broke. Sometimes it's hard to deal. I hold it down, son, it's real in the field. Can't take it no. Nobody said it was easy. About to explode. Gonna make it, son, believe me. I watch over me. I spread your blessings to those that's close to me. Continue to grow, building with your presence. Life is no more till I'm going to the essence. Never gave a fuck, now I know it's best to care and best to do, cause words just finesse the air. Respect the truth, be strong when the rest is scared. Connect with troops and arms, better get prepared. I step in the booth with bombs, detonate your brain. Staking my claim, making a change, taking my aim. Snuffing out the negativity, moving along steadily. The world is yours, love, peace, honor, and longevity. Sometimes it's hard to deal. I hold it down, son, it's real in the field. Can't take it no. Nobody said it was easy. About to explode. Make it, son, believe me.